So our tank has actually evaporated quite a bit, and today we're actually going to add a little more distilled water into the line. There we go. Because the more the water evaporates, the salt actually stays in the aquarium, so the salinity increases. The water gets saltier and saltier. We want to keep our sea monkeys happier by topping it off. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's day 20 with our Neon Ocean Zoo sea monkeys, and we're going to be feeding them for the third time. Here's our growth food and our spoon. Just a spoonful. There we go. Now I did count 11 sea monkeys from our original 20. Seems like 11 have been growing and becoming adults.